Today I'm going to be making a delicious overnight oats recipe. I'm making cookie dough vegan overnight oats. So I'm going to be using the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein powder, rolled oats, some vegan chocolate chips, however you could use cacao nibs if you prefer, some chia seeds, black or white will be fine. I'm using some cashew butter, however almond butter would work nicely too, and some pure maple syrup and almond milk. So what I'm going to do is simply add every ingredient into a bowl and mix it all until it's nice and combined, and place it in the fridge overnight or up to 5 hours, and then it'll be ready to serve the next day. And then I'm just going to top it off with some extra almond butter and some maple syrup to serve.